All I want to wear sing and DJ. I don't know dancehall like or no. Me not sing and DJ. I know it. Because the work the cartel put on. I couldn't do that. I have more blood clot time for find work do. I have more time for find work do. After cartel, no more king. Because the work the cartel put on. I go work. Blood clot. Look how much love Mr. Kartel show Jashii when him come out. Look how follow back a blood clot. Follow back a people.
He's immortal now.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boss, Nando and I building. So it is clear as day. We see where Nuffy came out to address every little thing we're going at the Sumfest with Jashii and Masicka on stage when Jashii was stating that all who get crowned, them not bad like Masicka shoes lace. So Nuffy came out and a clap back at Jashii and Masicka. Boy, Jesus Christ, people. For all who will never believe, it is clear now. See, Nuffy speak after Matsus did came out and talk. Nuffy come out now attack for your mind. So, me I go play the full clippings with Nuffy. I want to tell me what you think. Share your thoughts in the comment section. You know it go already, man. You know the procedure already. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And hit that post notification bell. So, whenever I drop a new content, you guys can be the first to be notified. So, let's just jump right into the video, viewers and subscribers.
All you know, Jashii, poor blood clot you, before you mind your own business. You get your little blood clot chance with silk bars. Eh? Look at hungry belly, Jashii. You get your little blood clot chance with silk bars. If you got a career in your hand, all you're interested in is to run back a man. PP pluck like a big artist to call you up on stage. Eh? You come and talk about king and this and king and that. Move your look up blood clot, follow back and go. Eh? Wanna know about dancehall? Wanna know about dancehall? You think it is easy to pass blood clot being the man and Kartel, sir? Laps him 3 times. And me say it again. He said, after the king, there will be no more king in dancehall. And me I promise you that. Because you not do blood clot work, you not work. You not work. After blood clot cartel, no more king. Me no coming no dancehall. All I want to wear sing and DJ. You don't know dancehall like or no. Me not sing and DJ. Me know it. After cartel, no more king. Because the work the cartel put on. You couldn't do that. You have more blood clot time for find work do. You have more time for find work do. You go work. Blood clot. Look how much love Mr. Kartel show Jashii when him come out. Look how follow back a blood clot. Follow back a people. Blood clot. Every tail you follow back a man call up on stage. And you get your career, if you take your career. And you say one year, see out of your mouth, tell boom boom, say you go like you're Nuffy. And Nuffy are the real MC, but that is not the problem with me and boom boom, nah, not at all. See, you're sure, you have a little thing about it. But you get your one and dash you away before you take the local clash with you and silk bar. That's his dancehall. And that you did for do. Instead of you that day today, them they even book you for doing a blood clot sunstress, but you're going up there try disrespect. Real G. Pussy all you know about cartel work? Eh? You think it's a party shop get him to be the king? Eh? You think a party shop get Kartel being the king of dancehall? Eh? All who did that chat up them mouth. You can't pass Beanie Man. Because all no pass Beanie Man. How tell you so now king? Me look pound and tell you so now king. When I work for kingship, you think that's a king go? Over no blood clot, but not bad artist. Bad artist is my blood clot. When if you have bad artists can't have fan base. And have them fan base and control. You not left no mark. No way want to go perform. No way. You not blood clot left no mark. No way want to perform. Nobody not talk about you no want to perform. You no boring no blood clot. I want to know. You no ramp with me general, you know. The man get him bumbo clot crowd, you know. I'm man of the pussy clot king. Because you no pass blood clot Beanie Man yet. And I laps Beanie Man 3 times in a game. And you know, I know Beanie Man are the people and the Beanie Man are the problem. Are the pussy them when I happy for car. You know how long I tell him that? Kartel a long time I tell you. Adi, a long time I tell you. Adi, a long time, a blood clot tell you, say them pussy hole you not like you. Them not like you. Them never want you come out. And you come save dancehall. Them never want you get no visa. The pussy hole them a visa and them couldn't do nothing. Afrobeat a drown them. Me not give a fuck. You don't have to like me. Me not want to not like me because they done they like me already. You don't defend me. You don't saw the blood clot G defend me. Eh? You don't saw the G deal with me. A real blood clot G. Him know Nuffy the real king of dance. I did that tell you no long blood clot time. Say Nuffy, I king MC. Him know the game. No man no come show no blood clot respect and tell the G thanks. Me see G show the pure love. Nothing but blood clot love. All me I try to tell him enough time. And he must say enough for anything you say goes, you know. You see the youth them, big up the youth them, you know. Me big up the youth them, you know. No, put on the page and say congratulations, Kartel. Go ahead. You don't have to like me, you know. You don't have to chat to me. Because I don't want to chat to you, you don't have to like me, you don't have to see me. You don't have to talk to me. I don't want to talk to you. Kartel proof to you all you know. See a girl, you know that girl and Nuffy. I'm sit down and watch you. I don't want to play hypocrite with them now. You don't have to call to me. I don't want to call to me. I don't care. Move on the blood clot. Kartel me I deal with that. I me say. Because when I'm going to call to me, I go like, you don't like me and rate me. You don't rate me. You don't blood clot rate me. Him rate me. Improve. You know, I sit down and I watch and I sit down and I watch. Kartel, you blood clot rate Nuffy. Me and a pussy, you know. Me and a pussy. Pussy will not be hypocrite with me. And me blood clot no. And me just hold it. A Kartel rate me. Him rate me. Him blood clot rate me and prove too no. Same rate me. Bumbo clot. You don't understand this thing and you dancehall. And the man of the man. That me I tell you. And the man of the man. You see me? And him of the blood clot man. You don't come send no congratulations. You don't tell the man thanks. Nothing at all. You don't show me. Be the man is not the problem. I'm sure not the Kartel don't have a problem with being the man. You hear me tell you? But none of you know. Me don't give a fuck what you want to say. Whether you want to like me or not like me, dog. Kartel go on a song and bust you know, and let it. I don't care, you know. I don't care what you want to say or what you want to do. And the J. You don't come out and come tell a man thanks. You don't tell a man thanks. You don't say, Kartel, boy, rare, but you don't come out and come go on like so on a blood clot. You don't can't save dancehall. If I want alone dancehall, dead. See? If I want alone dancehall, dead. Dancehall UK, big up. Look at these people. The big, me watch them, you know. Because I know dancehall, I watch them, you know. And I see them do what they do, you know. One time when you go someplace with them hide from you. And go on like them, don't want to see you. I watch them, you know, and I laugh. You know. Deck, big up, you know. Big up yourself, deck. And I watch them and I laugh and I say, pussy hole. I feel like, yeah, some of them show them and make a look of money, you know. Pussy hole and money on your praise. If a money Kartel, let that blood clot praise. Dancehall, couldn't they wait there? The man come out and a show and say, what can go higher and better and bigger? Show the G some love. The man getting crown and none of them post him. And this me I tell him about a long time. None of them post him. None of them say congratulations. But you don't want to play hypocrite with him. Eh? You don't want to come play hypocrite. People, I don't have a problem with Beanie Man. I know Kartel not a problem with Beanie Man. I know Beanie Man have a problem. And the rest of pussy old DJ boy and DJ girl them.
You see, viewers and subscribers, you see when you hear some man come out and tell us about clash culture dead and that pass and all the king spoken and rare. This always at me, you know. This a reach Masicka. You hear the man say, after Vybz Kartel king, no other king now go there will be no other king. But that are just theme words, you know, just a type of theme word. But as well, I say still, bro, put in the work. You see, if you not put in the work, you not push up on yourself, but you not king and you not the baddest thing, and you not put in the work. So, Nuffy, I speak and I tell you, say, yo, after Kartel, there will be no other king, cause all who are push up themselves, but them are goat and them are the baddest thing. Them are not the baddest thing. And this will be not talk about Masicka. For over the years, will be not tell Masicka, say, yo, you need to have one of them clash the under your belt. All the years, some people are come out and tell about clash culture dead and Ray, and it not dead anymore. And because them no want it happen, them no want the artists, them becomes column in a dancehall to a certain level. That's why you see Alkaline clash and having belt, have them on them belt. Masicka not have a clash on them belt. You hear the man say, Jashii did forget him run with silk bars and him never engage in it and a hit cause him failure now. And at that, you know, anytime you miss out on a clash, you know, it cause if you have failure. Look on Popcorn. Popcorn did figure in a clash with Alkaline. And Popcorn bug out of the clash. That's why you see Popcorn don't get the real ratings there in a dancehall, because dancehall sports is a gladiator sport and you have to fight, battle, you have to compete. So Vybz Kartel have the whole of that on them belt. Alkaline have it also. So that's why you see them can't talk about Alkaline so much, you know. And Masicka, I don't know where Masicka get himself in. I try to go up against something where he can't manage. Jesus Christ, viewers and subscribers, leave on a share on the thoughts in the comment section and make me know anything, because this a trouble, you know. A trouble there, Masicka and Jashii food. Jashii don't have a career already, but Masicka, this is a heavy, this are more than shades. This are the whole tree stump, the whole tree Masicka get. Viewers and subscribers, leave on the thoughts in the comments and make me know one thing. I'm out. Peace.